How to change Notes background style? Here's how to customize it in Apple Notes. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apple Notes. Next, look for Lines and Grids and tap on it. You'll now see several background options, including plain paper, lined paper, and grid styles. Simply select the style you want to use. Once selected, new notes and handwritten notes will use that background style, making it easier to write, draw, or organize information. If you're using an Apple Pencil or frequently create handwritten notes, the grid and lined options can help keep your notes neat and aligned. After choosing your preferred style, you can exit settings. The change is saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Notes background style on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.